While bacteria are advantageous to the human body, there are some strains that are harmful to the body. When the balance of these bacteria in your stomach is optimal, they work for you to a great effect. For example, short-chain fatty acids produced by some bacteria help in the modulation of your immune system and assist in inflammation reduction. Moreover, these good microbes also help the body in digestion, assists in synthesizing some vitamins like vitamin K, biotin, and other nutrients. Help inhibit the development of harmful microorganisms that cause infections and plays an important role in the immune system by creating a barrier against pathogens. However, when there is an imbalance in the gut between the useful and harmful microbes, better known as dysbiosis, several digestive issues such as diarrhea, constipation, heartburn and bloating arise. In addition, irritable bowel syndrome, a common disorder that affects the large intestine, could also arise. Furthermore, skin conditions such as acne, eczema, mild skin rashes, and other skin conditions have been associated with gut imbalance. Bacterial infection in the stomach results majorly from poor hygiene, with Staphylococcus and Salmonella, which are found in meat, eggs and dairy products being among the causes. Infection can also occur after close contact with animals or after consuming food or water contaminated with microorganisms. These microbes cause inflammation in your stomach and intestines, vomiting, severe abdominal cramps, and diarrhea. Keeping yourself hydrated by drinking plenty of fluids and the use of antitoxins for the most severe cases are ways to treat bacterial infection in your stomach. Getting free of the things that drain important bacteria and boost the development of malignant microbes like processed foods, preserved foods, antibiotics, alcohol, smoking and refined sugar as the way to eliminate bad bacteria in the body, as this helps drain levels of important bacteria and consequently bringing about inflammation. Using a less aggressive strategy to do what antitoxins do without ruining the whole microbiome is one of the ways to kill bad bacteria in the body. With herbs such as thyme, lavender, rosemary, and sage being incredible antimicrobials that can discriminately spare important bacteria whilst destroying more harmful microorganisms. Furthermore, these antimicrobial herbs help in dysbiosis by restoring the balance with a little more targeting as compared to antibiotics which strain your stomach flora. Nourishing your important bacteria is the other way of releasing the bad bacteria in your body. Foods with probiotics help actualize this as they feed and help restore your gut health. Probiotic supplements which are colonizing and diverse in bacterial strains also help restore bacteria. In addition, home remedies like adding fermented foods such as apple cider vinegar, kombucha, kimchi and kefir help in diversity as they contain probiotics. Getting plenty of prebiotics, which is found in any plant fibers such as beans and apples, also help in feeding your existing strains of bacteria. If you like this video, please subscribe below and hit the bell icon so that we can notify you when we release fresh videos just like this one.